Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make money with ChatGPT copywriting. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, what is copywriting? Copywriting is a content production strategy focused on convincing the reader to take a specific action. The copywriter must write the copy or the content thinking about its persuasive character, using triggers to arouse interest in the reader in order to generate conversions and sales. Now, here are some of the examples of the copywriting templates that we use in marketing, like email marketing, blogging, social media, website copy, eBooks, crisis communications, customers communications, case studies, and a lot more. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the OpenAI website. This is where we can get ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is a trained model which interacts in a conversational way. So the dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. So we're gonna go ahead and the right portion of our interface at the upper right. You can log in if you already have an account. If you don't have any account yet, you need to sign up. So just click sign up. And once you're done, you're going to log in and we're going to go ahead and go to our ChatGPT interface. So this is our interface. And as you can see, here are some of the examples on what to search on ChatGPT. And here are the capabilities of ChatGPT. It remembers what the user said earlier in the conversation. It allows user to provide follow-up corrections. It trained to decline inappropriate requests. However, there are limitations of ChatGPT. It may occasionally generate incorrect information, and that's given. It may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content, and it has limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So take note of the limitations of ChatGPT. Now we're going to go ahead and go to Upwork. Now this website is for freelancers, and if we take a look at the copywriter jobs available here, it's a lot and you can earn money here. So imagine that there are a lot of jobs, copywriting jobs available here in Upwork. And you can sign up if ever you're eligible to make money or to be a copywriter. So here you can choose a lot of work to do in this website and you can earn money at the same time. Now imagine how helpful ChatGPT is in terms of making money. So we're going to go ahead and go to the templates earlier. So we have here email marketing. So we're going to try this one first and we are going to go to this website. We call this the Digistore 24. This is one of the biggest affiliate websites on the internet. So we're going to scroll down. And as you can see, some of the products here, they have this what we call the affiliate support page, this one. So we're going to click this one and it's going to lead us to this page. So this is the page of the product. And when you are going to scroll down, here is an affiliate link that we can use as an affiliate and you can earn money. So this is where we can earn money as a copywriter. We call this the email swaps. So the author or the seller of this product will give you different emails that you can send via email. So here are, say for example, email number 1. Here, the seller will already give you the template or the emails that you need to send. So all you need to do is just send the email and then you can earn money with that. So for example, email number 1. So here is the subject, how to stockpile antibiotics without a prescription. So all you need to do is just copy this one and paste it in the email and send it. So that's all you need to do. You also have email number 2 that you can choose from and email number 3. So actually the seller will just give you the email that you need to send. So that's it. And you can already earn money. And then you have your blogging or blogs or you make an article. So this is where we can use a ChatGPT. So we're going to go to ChatGPT And we are going to try to type a question here at the bottom, the text box. So we're going to go ahead and write. So this is our question, how to earn money on TikTok. So we're going to click enter. And as you can see, it starts generating. So that's how easy you can use ChatGPT. And there you go, it stops generating and there. So earning money on TikTok can be achieved through various methods. And here are some ways. So it's really going to give you a lot of things here. So you can use this as an article to your blog if you are planning to make a blog, because you can earn money through blogs. So you have here, for example, influencing marketing, TikTok creator fund, live streaming, merchandise sales, brand partnerships and sponsorships, cross promotion, and so on and so forth. So imagine the power of ChatGPT. It's just going to generate a response in a second. There you go. That's an example for a blog or an article. So we're going to go ahead and try eBooks. So eBooks is very popular now, and there are a lot of writers. So if you take a look and if you take a search on fiction writers, there's a lot. So there's a lot of people who earn money by writing stories. So this website is perfect for writers or readers like me who really loves to read fiction. So fiction stories, so there are a lot of things offered here. And as you can see, you can earn money by writing a story. And we can do that with writing fiction. So say for example, we're going to go back to our ChatGPT. So this is a very random content. So let's say we're going to write a love story of Andrew and Jessica on a bus. And we're just going to click enter. And there, as you can see, it's generating already a story. It's just really made up. So Andrew and Jessica are not true, it's just fiction. So imagine how powerful ChatGPT is. So it made a story out of that sentence. So Andrew and Jessica love story on a bus. So there we go. And of course, just to clarify, you can also tweak some information here just to avoid plagiarism and for whatever purpose you're going to use this article. So you can also add a few things here. You're going to read it first before you're going to submit or publish a certain article or story. And then there you go. That's how easy you can use ChatGPT. You can also try to use this for your social media or a website copy, or especially for customer communications. You can use this one, especially if you're a seller or if you're a creator, and you can do this. For case studies as well, for students, ChatGPT is very useful for students like you to, work on your projects or your assignments. So that's how powerful ChatGPT is. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned a lot. And if you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!